In a land where rain never touched the ground, droplets danced in the air, creating a shimmering canopy. Animals marveled at the spectacle, except for a proud peacock who longed for the rain's touch. "Why can't I feel the rain?" he lamented. A wise old turtle replied, "Sometimes beauty is meant to be seen, not felt." The peacock, stubborn, tried to fly higher, but only tired himself. One day, a gentle breeze whispered, "Embrace what you have." The peacock realized the beauty around him and found joy in the dance above. Hit the like button and share your thoughts.